Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro ha ka jingdap sans nem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendai Lat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Lone So Po Shillong. One ban thiet ya ka kali Datsun ready go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Menteri Rangba jong ke Sorkar Jela Ukonrat Ki Sangma Ule Yaro ya katanat pulit jong ke Jela Kabalala ban pendam tedong ya second in command jong ke United Liberation Front of Assam Drishti Raj Khowa kabalong kawai ni kikinhon king atiar papau kman haga Jela Assam bat kabala sya khen bi Andrew haga Sorkar India kumban supentip hangne Udrishti Raj Khowa ulahap ban pendam tedong yaladi hakmat ki bor jong ka ain hadin bagi pulit ke Jela Meghalaya haringkat ke jingya trailang bat ki sipai kilayai peteng ban penlong ya ke jingkenra ka bajurba haki klaber ben jong kerilom garo haga jingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor ukonrat ki sangma ulaong baka jing pendam wat jong uraj khowa kadai ka jingjop ka bakrau jong ka sorkar ban pendam yeki sengking atiar ki balale yeki kampen trim ki bakta ya ka shongsuk shongsan jong ki pait ba amtang heki benta jong ki snong khaput ka Jela Meghalaya henry kamtam haga Jela Assam haga bayadai bat kani nagaliang jong unong yalam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaai ka jingyero kamtam ya ki pulit SF10 ki bala treshitam met labat sngi ban ngam Sheki klau ki petap neka benta ban penlong ye ka jingkenra ka beteng persya ye ki kenhon king atiar ki bari tengen harilom garo.
As a political leader, I've always stressed that when it comes to insurgency, there are many more aspects to it than just the groups. So yes, this will have a large impact, but I think at the end of the day, it has a lot to do with socio-economic conditions, and therefore we need to continue our work to ensure that socio-economically also we make changes and overall development in the long run is the only permanent solution to issues like this. But obviously this particular incident will go a long way in helping the overall cause for peace in the region. It won't be appropriate for me to talk right now because we're still getting all the information from the grassroots level. So the only information they've collected as of now that has been picked up. So I'll limit to my comments on there. Beyond that, I will get the details and then I'll get back to you. Because of the activities of the Meghalaya police, the pressure was on him to move, and in that movement, of course, there was coordination with the army also going on. So at the end of the day, it was an effort that was from different angles, which has led to the ultimate surrender. So therefore, I think the Meghalaya police has done a very good job in ensuring that continuous pressure was there, which forced them to flee from the location which they were in.
The house yesterday, Drishti Raj Khowa has been trying to regroup from amongst all those cadres who have rather withdrawn themselves from their respective parent organizations and surrendered and joined the mainstream. There has been some effort, and then he was slowly doing. But I'm sure this challenge will always remain because western part of Meghalaya is an area which is used by ULFA and DFP, and therefore we have to be always alert. I have talked about this different packages which are at different rate. One is above, one is low. It's a process which is going on. We can still stop it. Saubhagya also, because we don't know what exactly is happening inside, but my input suggests that there is some revision of the rates going on even now. So the rate at which the work was awarded, we cannot rule out if there is further inflating.